So I wanted to give a quick review on this wood splitter. This is the 28 Pro by Wolfe Ridge. Built in Wisconsin. It's got an 8-inch beam on it, 22 gallon a minute hydraulic pump, Honda 390 GX motor. It's got a log lift, 400 pounds it's rated for. I'm sure it'll lift more than that. The main beam, or the main wedge, is AR 400 steel, and it has a 4-way on it. That wedge stands about 12-13 inches tall, and this will definitely help out in the woods, getting the job done and getting back in the heat whenever or in my case right now, in the air conditioning. So I've just given a quick little review on it. It's extremely well built. Hands down to Chris and the crew up there that build these things. I've been using it now for probably close to a week, and it's done an excellent job. I pull it behind a Yamaha Rhino 450. It's a 1,200 pound wood splitter, so you can definitely tell when you're going through the woods that it's there. But that just tells me that it's extremely well built. So if you're looking for high quality wood splitters, I wouldn't look any farther than Wolfe Ridge right here. Exceptional machine. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to split a little bit more wood for you, kind of show you what it'll do. Now the old wood splitter that we had, it was a 27 ton supposedly. It had a 7-inch beam, or a 6-inch beam, and a 7-inch wedge. Now the wedge was back here. So this is my first splitter where I'm used to a push-through design. After using this, I would never go back to a wedge on the cylinder. Every weld on this is immaculate. It's powder coated. I just had them powder coated red. I guess that's Wolfe Ridge's color, but they got a variety of colors you can go with. Like I say, I pull it behind a 2006 450 Yamaha Rhino, and I tow it from the opposite end so that I can shove everything off and drive off. Definitely, you know it's back here when you're going through the woods, but I can't say enough. This is absolutely unbelievable splitter. So I'm gonna get out of here. It's about 90 degrees right now, southeast Missouri. So we got humidity just out the wazoo, and we got a monster storm coming up. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the house, and I'll have more videos up of this splitter, so stay tuned. And if you could, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So thank you all.